goodness. Talk about enjoying a lure. This bait works so well. You don't even need a Vexilar. Oh, oh, crack, baby. I mean, ooh. There we go. This bait works so well. You don't even need a Vexilar. Smack. This is the best walleye lure for ice fishing ever made. Berkley really outdone themselves with the finisher. This is the first night with this color. I love aggressive walleyes, and this bait absolutely brings it out in them. The cadence I like to use with this finisher is just a simple lift and return to zero. Not a whole lot to it. The key is holding. Hold that thing longer than you think you have to. If you're watching electronics, Vexilar, do not be alarmed how many times up and down that fish rips. All they're doing is making circles on it, trying to figure out when they want to crack it, and some of them will absolutely rip the rod out of your hand. The biggest thing is keeping that cadence going. If anything, you can shorten the stroke up a little bit or work your return to zero up. Give it lift and pause. See if he comes up 2 or 3 inches. If he does and still doesn't go, lift it up, do the pop. Oh my goodness! Should be able to see that strike. Wow! I love the finishers. Look at this fish. Look at this walleye. Oh, I know I'm trying. Wow! Talk about enjoying a lure. Wow! These things absolutely love the Berkley finisher. This bait was designed for forward facing sonar, and it's no secret people have been catching fish with it through the ice, but my heavens, this lure, dare I say, gets 90+% of fish to at least give it a try. I mean, look at that walleye. Hold out, get your back before you freeze, 10-inch hole. Oh yeah, she's ready. Oh, it's a good fish here. Yes, sir, it is. Another very healthy. Oh, I love the finisher, boys. This bait is absolutely insane. Another damn nice walleye. Oh, oh yeah. Oh, crack, baby. With this fish ripping up and down and right up to it and doing all sorts of circles, it's going to be very tough to maintain a stable cadence. I'm a firm believer if you get around some fish that are hungry. I caught the first one, missed the first one on the Vexilar. With the aggression that they showed, I punched another hole and said no more Vexilar. Lift and hold, and we have felt some thunder. 3 for 4 in the nasty stuff out here with no Vexilar. Not too shabby, not too shabby. A couple really nice walleyes. fish. Oh my goodness. The big fish. Absolutely love this finisher. Settle down, girl. Settle down. Hold up. I mean, look at this, folks. I mean, whoo, holding her the wrong way. That bait right there is all you need if you're going ice fishing for walleyes, ladies and gentlemen. The Berkley finisher, number 7. Pick a color, whatever's your favorite. These things work absolutely too good. They are insane. Insane. Come on, baby. Here. T-bone. Whoa. Look at that walleye. Look at that walleye. Oh, I'm bad with the GoPro, sorry. Wow.